William Moody here. Once again, the ultimate woodworker has proven he's completely out of his mind.
I was sent in a capsule from a place not from here, and I came here for one reason: to attack and keep coming. Not to ask, but just to give. Not to want, but just to send. Send the power of the ultimate woodworker down the throat of everyone in the Summer's Woodworking 2x4 Challenge until they become sick of it. Because this freak of nature right here is just beginning to swell. And when I get big enough, brother, there ain't gonna be room for anybody else but me and all the woodworkers floating through the veins and the power of the ultimate woodworker.
Does the current champion have what it takes to put an end to the ultimate woodworker's insanity? Find out Sunday, May 31st. Just received word of a match that's been added to this event, and it's being billed as a true David versus Goliath match. The young gun from the land down under, Reagan faces what may very well be his biggest challenge to date. Reagan will step into the squared circle to face none other than the sorcerers of Scroll, the bearded brawlers themselves, Russell Clarity and his brother, Russell Clarity, in a Falls Count Anywhere handicap match. Word has it that the Clarity brothers have some sort of killer mutant 2x4 in their corner. Will these competitors be able to stand up to all challengers and come out victorious? Or will the ultimate woodworker become the newest addition to the long line of legendary champions? Find out Sunday, May 31st. This is William Moody reporting. Good night, and may the best man win.